Okay.
Okay, so I must welcome once again. I'd welcome you to English Talkie, and I
Yeah.
hope you know
Thank
something about myself. My name is Mayank. You obviously
you.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I also saw your video on YouTube. I checked that out.
Okay. How was that?
I was fine. It was nicely edited. I saw that.
Thank you.
Also mentioned give those captions and all. In the video, I saw that, and it was really good. I must say.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you
Okay,
so
yeah.
much for
Please, you
watching.
were saying?
Thank you so much for watching.
Obviously. I also noticed that you have uploaded a lot of other videos with other tutors as well. So yeah, the videos were pretty nice. Okay. So I must now. So this is not a demo session anymore. This is a regular session, right?
Mhm.
So in even in this session, I would ask you first. So what would you want to do? Like what would you like to do today? Would you like to
Yeah.
the PDF and all or you will just have a casual conversation like this time too?
Yeah. Let's have a question answer game.
Okay, question answer game. Okay, no worries. Let's see how much have you. Just a second. Okay. So let's begin. Can you just introduce once again yourself to me? Obviously, I have a vague idea, so I'll just get a better idea this time. Can just do that once again.
Yeah. Sure. Why not? So this is Mahesh Nagda, and I'm from Nimach, Madhya Pradesh. And currently living in Indore for my study purpose. And I have done my graduation. And currently preparing for competitive examination.
Okay. So last time you told me you were preparing for competitive examination. You'll be
Yeah.
preparing for it next year, right?
Yeah, this year only because when the vacancy will come, I'll appear for that.
Okay. So like you told me, you're preparing for competitive examination. So I believe you must be preparing English, mathematics, reasoning, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
knowledge, right?
General.
So
Mm.
out of these four, which one do you think is the most hardest for you?
Okay, so for me, maths has been hardest for me since childhood because I just detest maths.
Are you just
Detest or maybe hate.
okay? You hate mathematics. So, but why is that?
I don't know, but I'm not able to deal with mathematics problems.
Okay, so while preparing for the competitive examinations, obviously math is a bigger portion to cover. So how do you tackle it?
So now it's getting better day by day because I'm focusing more time on my weaker subject like maths and solving more and more problems. So and taking my friends' help plus my teacher's help. So yeah, I hope that one day it will be my not my favorite, but yeah, it will be my good subject one day.
Okay, fine. In fact, I'll just tell you that even I have a problem with mathematics. Yeah, even I don't like it that much. But anyways, it's important. If you have to crack an exam, then you
Again,
need to be good at it. Anyway, so how do you do cover your current affairs?
for current affairs, I read newspaper.
Mhm.
Plus both some YouTube videos which provide daily basis current affairs videos. Uh, and my coaching institute also provide current affairs PDFs and some stuff related to that.
Okay, but it must be really difficult, right? Keeping up with the current affairs. Every day
Yeah,
you see a lot of things are happening.
it's not that easy to remind them all at a time.
Yeah, it's not easy. Obviously, it's not easy to remember them all because every day you pick up a monthly capsule or a weekly capsule or anything from like a PDF or something. There's tons of articles and all. So anyway, so which newspaper do you read?
So mostly earlier I used to read Times of India, but now I'm reading the Hindu.
The Hindu. Oh, why is that? Why did you change?
Because some of my tutor, not teacher, teacher suggest me that the Hindu has a lot of vocabularies, plus the editorials of Hindu is amazing, so it will help us to improve our comprehensive English. And the passages which are being asked in this kind of exam are mostly taken from the this kind of newspapers editorial sections. So it might help you if you get some a passage related to that topic, so it will be easier for to understand the what is the situation and what was he talking about.
Exactly, exactly. Very well, very well. And you're speaking quite nice. I must, just say it in between. That was really good one. Okay. So uh, I'm saying that you were speaking really good. The
Okay,
last and
thank you, thank you, thank you.
the last para you just spoke, na, that was really good. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely you're right. Newspapers like Hindu or the Indian Express, the
Mm,
level of English is quite rich there. You
correct.
can get a fair idea about the exam from these papers. So anyway, so I must, like you told me, you read editorials and all. So I also have a habit of reading editorial. Actually, I prefer the Indian Express. And
Okay.
but what's your way of reading it? Like, how do you read it? Do you like make notes of it, or just give it a regular reading or something?
No, no, I don't make note of the whole the editorial. What I do is that I read editorial in one go, and then I just underline the word which I didn't understand. Maybe it's not there are not many words which I don't know, but there are some words, two or three in a editorial, so which I underline, and then again I know the meanings of those words, and then again read the editorial, and then try to understand write the summary of that editorial, that what is this editorial is all about in a two or
Okay.
three lines.
Oh, that's a good job. Yeah, that's a really good thing.
Hmm.
Even I'll just also give you this advice. You can try it out sometimes. To
Okay.
improve your English, you can do one thing. Like for example, you have a passage in front of you, which is of let's say 300 words.
Okay.
So you can do one thing. You can try to just write this passage on your own again, but within a word limit of 100 words. So like what did you do? From 300 words to 100 words, you
Hmm.
cut it down by one third of its value. Try to do that. Someday it will really help you.
It's like summarize the whole editorial.
Yeah, obviously, I like a sort of summary. Okay.
Uh,
Oh, all right, Emma. So I got a PDF today. The English talkie sent it to me, and it was about the lecture today. So it consisted of the word advertising. There were few questions. Obviously, there were like 4 to 5 questions, but I like to personalize things. So instead
hmm.
of asking the question directly to you, I would ask you something else. So like I went through a YouTube channel. So you're a YouTuber, and the topic of today's PDF was advertising. All
Okay.
right. Oh, so I'm just want to ask you. So what do you think about it? Obviously, you're a YouTuber, so you must be doing some kind of ads. Do you do? I'm just asking.
Currently, I'm not doing any official ads, but because the YouTube is already doing advertisement by itself
Your
without.
monetization is on, right? Your monetization is turned on.
Yeah.
Is it on? Okay. So what do you think about it? Like, for example, I just want to know the personal view of a YouTuber, of a person who is working for himself. How do you
Mm.
see advertising? Like, if given a chance, what would you advertise and how would you advertise it? For
I just.
example, you have to advertise about your YouTube channel, right?
Mhm.
Channel. So how would you advertise it?
Okay, so if I talk about advertising of my channel, so what I personally think that which have heard somewhere or I learned somehow that advertising your YouTube channel is not that good thing, because
Hmm.
uh,
Okay.
it you might advertise your YouTube channel. Just imagine that you are sharing links of your channel, you are uh, telling your asking your friend to subscribe or share it their friends, but what happen is that you might subscribe me, right? If I
Hmm.
ask you to subscribe my channel, you will do it just because I'm your friend. So what happens is that you will subscribe me, but when I will
Hmm.
post video and you are not interested in watching English conversation, why would you watch that?
Yes. Hmm.
Right? And then what happen is that most of the subscriber of yours are not watching your videos. Then YouTube will know that this guy is not making good content, then your channel might be affecting and your video will not go viral.
Okay.
So I believe in the real subscriber who literally want to listen to conversation and interested in English conversation. So then those person will be automatically will subscribe to my channel. I don't need to advertise it.
Okay. Very well. That's good. That's good. That's a fine answer, I must say. Okay, MS, it was nice. So, acha, do you want me to continue about advertising, or we can move on to something else?
Yeah, move on to something else.
Okay, we'll move something else. Obviously, if I'm having a chat with MS Nagda and I don't talk about cricket, so how is this possible, right?
Yeah. By the
Right?
way,
So,
uh, by the way,
yeah.
the right pronunciation of Nagda is Nagda, not Nagda.
Please say that again.
Nagda.
Nagda.
The.
MS.
It's the.
Acha, it's the Nagda. MS Nagda.
Yeah.
Okay, not Nagda. Okay, not Nagda. Theek, all right. So obviously, MS Nagda. So we
Mm.
definitely have to talk about cricket, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So why don't you tell me something recently that happened with the cricket team?
Okay.
Did you win
So,
something or not? Oh, yeah.
yeah, I'm not watching it, but yeah, because of this current affairs, I'm in touch with that. Because I mostly watch those matches in which MSD is playing. Because I'm
So
because for me it's MSD then cricket, not it's cricket and MSD.
oh, it's that big of a thing. Very well.
Unless
So
unless it's not a World Cup or any big matches which I watch.
then I guess to see MSG play, you have to wait for IPL every year, then, right?
Yeah, and currently the test series is going on with New Zealand, and India won the match with 372 runs. Is the biggest margin of Indian Test cricket ever. And
Yes, and
in
also,
which
yeah.
another record was made by New Zealand's Ajaz Patel, that he took
Hmm.
all the 10 wickets in a single inning. After he became the third one who to do this. After Anil Kumble and another person, and the third one is Ajaz Patel from New Zealand.
Yeah, it's a really big achievement, right? Taking
Yeah,
10 wickets, and
wickets.
that too of the Indian bats,
Yeah, but again,
their home.
India did wonderful thing that he just all out all the batsmen in just 62 or 7 runs.
Yeah, exactly. They were quite. All right, MS. So, MS, is there anything that you want to ask me now? Anything at all?
So okay. So do you also watch cricket?
No, yeah. I watch it regularly. I'm not that much in touch with cricket now, but yeah, I do watch it.
Okay, so if I'm not wrong, then you are also a MSD fan.
It's not like I'm a fan, but yeah, I don't really have some any kind of actually. If you'll ask me, I do like MSG, but I'm not. I won't say I'm a fan. I
Okay,
used to
so
be a fan of Rahul Dravid.
okay, the wall.
Yeah, Rahul. I used to be a fan of Rahul Dravid. In those times, I was a kid too. I was a kid back then only. So people used to be crazy about Sachin Tendulkar. But I was always sitting patiently in my room waiting for Rahul Dravid to come and bat. So I always enjoyed Rahul Dravid. To see him bat. I like, for example, you like MSD as a person, right? You think he's calm, he's composed, he's a
Mm,
game changer.
mm,
And similarly, I think Rahul Dravid was, a really calm person, composed person. I liked him as a gentleman, and obviously, I was always attracted to his batting. He was a wicketkeeper too. In fact, you must be knowing
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah,
And then
obviously, he's a coach.
you are might be happy with that Rahul Dravid is head coach of Indian team now.
Exactly,
Mhm.
he is now. Yeah, obviously, I love that man. He's brilliant, and he's a coach now. So let's see. In fact, he was the coach of under 19, if I believe, and India won
Mhm.
that. I believe India simply lost the final or something. But yeah, they did really great under him.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So then, what about IPL? Which is your favorite team?
I'm obviously Delhi Daredevils from Delhi.
Because of Rahul Dravid.
Yeah, so I like Delhi Daredevils the most. Rahul Dravid is the coach of Delhi only, I guess, right?
Mhm.
Am I
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So I've been watching Delhi. I've been watching Delhi. In fact, in the initial seasons of IPL, Rahul Dravid was in Bangalore, so I was a fan of Bangalore. But yeah, after he got retired from cricket. Then I was a fan of Delhi. But yeah, they haven't won IPL yet. So
Well, last year, even this year, Delhi was playing very good, but he couldn't make it to the final or won the trophy.
they're the chokers. They're the chokers, just like South Africa.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's so true, so true.
All right, Amos. All right, Amos. So
But
we
what
done
what
with.
are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? The
Sorry.
last question. What are your hobbies?
What are my hobbies? Okay, so I'd say, I'm a person who is very much interested in keeping myself fit. So I do hit the gym regularly, almost
Okay.
every day. Yeah, I'd say going to gym is my hobby, and it's a controversial one. So people don't really consider going to gym as a hobby, but I don't think that there's an issue. If there's something I love, then I can call it as a hobby.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah.
I do like to run. And I would say I really like to watch movies, English movies specifically. I like a lot of them.
So okay, no issue. And I will ask this question again in our next session, so I can ask the question in these fields.
About movies,
Movies and gymming and everything, which are your hobbies?
definitely we'll have a talk, man. No worries. I'll be more than happy to share these things with you.
Yeah, yeah. It's my pleasure
Yes,
to know about the things.
definitely, definitely. It's always it's always fun to talk with you. It's the second time we're having a chat, and it feels like as if we are friends.
Okay.
All right. So I think I'll just take your leave now. It was once again really good to talk to you,
Same here,
and
same here.
well, and I wish you all the best for your channel also. You're doing a great job. Keep on doing it.
Okay.
All right. Then good night.
Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Night.